Hello there, welcome on my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss regarding overview of bone fractures. We hear a lot about bone fractures as the usual result of an unfortunate accident, be it a motor vehicle crash or a case of slip and fall. Every bone fracture is different depending on the location of the injury and its severity. Common causes of bone fractures. The first cause is trauma to bone tissue. A fall, an automobile accident, or a sudden hit by an object can bring trauma to a bone, resulting to a fracture. The second cause is bone thinning. Over time, the bone gets less dense as bone protein and other minerals gets altered or lost. The third common cause is bone overuse. Most sports athletes suffer a bone fracture due to excessive stress forced on the bone location. Genotypes of bone fracture. There are two genotypes of bone fracture: a closed fracture and an open fracture. A closed fracture means that the bone is broken but the skin is not affected. An open fracture means that the bone has pierced the skin, resulting to a wound which may or may not show the broken bone. Depending on the doctor's assessment, she may employ either one or a combination of these methods. It may take a number of weeks or months for a fracture to heal. Your bone tissue will start growing new bone cells on the site of the fracture, creating new bone tissues until the fracture is closed. The healing process is usually painful. Therefore, you must strictly follow the doctor's advice on handling the fracture. Thanks for watching.